So guys, this is how you can convert your Do physical SIM into an eSIM online in just a few easy steps. Simply log in into your Do app, tap on the settings button, then tap here on the manage SIM section. To verify your details and enable conversion of your physical SIM into an eSIM, log in with UAE Pass, confirm requests, give your consent for the UAE Pass to share your Emirates ID with the Do app, and then tap here on the send documents button. You will automatically go back to your Do app and this message will show up. Physical SIM card to eSIM, also your number will be revealed, your SIM serial number and the charges. Keep in mind, this is totally free, so tap on the continue button. You now have to verify your email by sliding this button to confirm. Wait for a few minutes while the Do app is getting your eSIM ready. Okay, this eSIM activation message will pop up on your screen. Simply tap on allow, again tap on continue, and that is it guys. Your eSIM is now active on your device. You can start using this eSIM instantly for calls and connecting on mobile data. So guys, that is how you do it for Do. But if you have an Etisalat physical SIM card and you want to convert it into an eSIM, the video up next will guide you.